Hi, I'm Simon Taylor, CEO and founder of HYCU, and I'm here today to talk about next-gen data protection as a service. You know, I think over the last couple of years, a lot of people have been talking about modern data protection. And oftentimes what modern data protection means is taking legacy data protection, adding storage, and sticking it up in the cloud. To us at HYCU, that is not what modern data protection should be all about. The reality is that, 30 years ago, when a lot of the backup and recovery software providers were created, they were designed for on-prem. Most of the data 30 years ago sat on-prem, and the advent of public cloud was still years away. Fast forward to 10 years ago, and all of a sudden, you have a very different kind of data estate. You've got data on-prem, you've got data in public cloud, and you might even have a little bit of Salesforce or the beginnings of SaaS. What happened at that point was that different types of companies showed up to the party and they started trying to rejigger their legacy services to make them work for the cloud. We called that cloud washing. And essentially what it meant is that we took all that old tech and we tried to stick it up in the cloud and force it to work. It really wasn't until about 5 years ago that we sat down and said there's got to be a better way. You shouldn't need professional services and on-prem hardware in order to protect a cloud and SaaS services that are meant to be spontaneous, simple, and provide immediate value. So what we did here at HYCU is we decided to build the world's first truly SaaS multi-cloud data protection software as a service. And the way that we did that is we looked at the marketplace and we said whatever gets built has to fulfill the following criteria. First and foremost, it needs to work on-prem for public cloud and SaaS. Second of all, it's all got to be agentless. And third, it's got to be delivered truly as a service. Now, there's a lot of arguments around what as a service actually means. We keep it very simple. You need to be able to consume it as a subscription. You need to be able to turn it on with nothing to download. And you, as the customer, should be free to choose the storage or target of your choice. All in all, that's what makes HYCU, or Hybrid Cloud Uptime, the company it is today. A modern next-gen data protection as a service organization that offers true SaaS simplicity as well as equivalent levels of data protection support on-prem, in the public cloud, and across SaaS. Check us out at www.hycu.com.